Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Today, welcome to the class 2 English lecture 6. Today we will be doing form of verbs like I have written base form, simple past and past participle here. So I have written three verbs here: go, awake and do. I will be explaining the simple past and past participle forms of these verbs. Go will be gone in past simple past and went in past participle. Now for the awake, the second form will be awoke, AWOKE, and awoken in the past participle, awoken. And for the do, the simple past form of or second form of do will be did, and done will be the third form. Now you guys are provided with the homework sheets. Here is the list of all the form of verbs or all the verbs which you have to learn in your as a part of your vacation homework. So that was today's assignment. Learn them from your given sheets. I think there are like 15 of them. And until then, Allah Hafiz.